Trilby, can you push button? Mummy push it, look.
Treat.
Nicely. Good, now you push it. You push. Push it with your paw, darling. No, he's working off from it. That's no good. He's not interested. Beany, if you press that button, you get a treat.
Treat. Treat. Treat. Treat. Treat. Treat.
I've handed a little few treats out. Who's going to push it first? Let's turn you round.
Treat.
Not many of them left. I'll get you Oh, you ain't got another bag of treats in that drawer. I'll have to go with the tin. Beany, Beany, I want you to push the button, please. See this button?
Treat.
Trilby, push the button if you want a treat. No, not me, the button.
Treat.
See me?
Treat.
Somebody press treat.
Treat. Treat. Treat. Treat.
He's trying! He just tried! Do it harder, darling. Press it harder. That's so clever. You get a treat. You get 2 treaties for trying. How's that one? You tried. You tried. Clever boy, Trilby. You gonna go press the button for another treat? You clever, clever little ginger prince. Who says all ginger cats share one communal brain cell? It's more like one communal super brain. And he lends it to his sister because she picks up treats from watching him. Job.
Treat.
Beany man.
Treat. Treat.
Job. Try it.
Treat. Treat.
That's over 5 minutes, and we've only got one of you to try tapping it, and that wasn't hard enough. Good effort though, Trilby. You tried to press the button. You tapped it.
Treat. Treat.
Trilby. Trilby. Trilby, darling. Can you push the button? You don't want to. Should Mummy push it and get rid of this last treat? Go push it. That's a love you paw. You're not having it yet. I want you to try. Press. Try press the button. You just chucked me a bottle of water on the head. On the floor even. It landed on its bloody head. Trilby.
Treat.
CB.
Treat.
Beany man.
Treat.
Oh, you full? I don't want you to be full. Where can we put the button? Oh, I've got a hella itchy butt. Bum cheek, why are you itchy? You are really annoying me. Bum cheek, why are you itchy? I'm scratching, I don't need to be scratching my butt. It makes it feel better. La da da, la da 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 da. Can anybody try press this button?
Treat.
Oh, you let me push your paw on it. You get treats. No, Beany, you didn't do anything.
Treat.
CB.
Treat.
Job.
Treat. Treat.
That's 9 minutes. 9 minutes 22 and it's gone sideways on. That's better. Right, I'm going to put this button back on the floor. There. Now they're evenly spaced out. I've gone like that in between the yellow and red, and then pushed the green up till I'd got the same gap. Right. No, you can't have things. Oh, you want your water? What you got left? Do you want me to change that? It must be a bit hard to drink out of that cup. Come on, you haven't let me change it since about 2-3 o'clock this afternoon. Oh, it's like 7:30 or something. 1 minute before 7:30 and I haven't watered up yet, and it's the day to put plant feed down. Lovely, lovely plant feed, rose and shrub feed. It's by a company called Off. I've not really heard of them, but they do ant killer or fly spray in the rain.